Welcome back to another edition of our HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, we're looking at HTML quotations. So I'll be putting that in the comment. HTML quotations. So the first thing we'll be looking at in HTML quotation is the block quote. So basically, what the block quote does is it puts every content in the block quote into what in a block form. Then there'll be some sort of marginato on the left and the right hand side. So without talking much, let's say for instance someone drop a quote, just let's just say Bill Gates dropped a quote on something or a motivational quote. Then you want to put the quote in block form. All you just have to do, just first of all, you tap the p tag, then probably call Bill Gates. There you have it. So the next thing is you type the block quote. Sorry, the block quote. Then you close it. Now you can see the block quote tag, block quote corresponding closing tag. Then inside the block quote, you have an attribute called cite. Sorry. You have an attribute called what? Cite. It is this cite that will just like the source of the word of this particular quote you want to drop. So we are creating a demo. So we'll just put a random website, not an actual website, but normally what will be in the site is the particular word, the reference you get the quote you are about to write here. So let us say https then double hyphen www.billgates.com. Okay, you save, you refresh. Now, okay, you can see our p tag. You can see our p, let me increase this one. Okay, you can see my what, my p tag, which is Bill Gates. Then inside this block quote, you put a what, an attribute of site. Then you can now put the particular quote that was dropped there. So I'll be generating what they call what, lorem. I thought I should have talked about it. So lorem. So when you tap lorem, then you click what, enter. So it generates some random content for you. So I want to break it. So you come here, break the code so that you can see every piece of code and there won't be escaping to that back. So, okay, this is all our code that you see. Now when you refresh, you find out that this content here will be written as block and there'll be a margin left and margin right, though we've not done CSS, so you don't know what they call margin right. So what that means is it aligns our element or our content to the center. See, you can see it aligns our content into the word center. That means this is the person that drops the code, and what was the code that was dropped? This is the code that was dropped. Are we good? Okay. Yes, we are. So that is what block quote does what basically. So the next one, let me create two double line breaks so that I can keep space. The next thing we'll be quickly looking at is the quotes. I think I should have done this in what formatting tag, in formatting, HTML formatting, but nonetheless we still have to touch it here. So let's say you have a what, a p tag, which is the paragraph tag. Then you write SOLTECH ambition is okay. You just put your maybe your colon, then inside this colon you are going to put some sort of, let me break this one, and let me bring this one, let me clean this way. Okay, good, this way. Then inside the, we said SOLTECH ambition is, then what is SOLTECH ambition? So we want to put it in what, into quote. All you just have to do is what, create a Q tag. You can see the Q tag is inside the P tag. See the beginning and the end. This is the beginning and the end. So what's the ambition? Is to, okay, let me put here. Okay, or I can put it there, to educate people on, let me break this, on in demand test skills. So you see, now when you refresh, what will you find out? You will find out that all the content in this Q tag will be encoded with a two inverted commas, which is this one, the starting and the what and the end. So to SOLTECH ambition, then quotation mark that will encode this to educate on in-demand word test skills. So let's refresh on the browser and see. You can see SOLTECH ambition is, then we have what, a starting quotation mark, then and what, an ending quotation mark. So everything we write here, you can see they are encoded with this starting quotation mark, then the word ending word quotation mark. So that is what quote does. So quickly, I'll quickly touch abbreviation. So the next thing we'll look at here is abbreviation. Abbreviation. So let me bring this. Let me see if I can bring this down. Okay, yes, I can. So in abbreviation, okay, let's just say, let me create a div. Then, okay, let me write a content. In this div, I want to write a content. Which abbreviation? Let's use WHO, which is World Health Organization. So just say, if you type a word abbr, formerly this abbr was, it was acronym that was the former tag, initial tag before, but now, sorry, it was acronym, yeah, it was acronym that was used before, but now that acronym has been deprecated. That means it's no longer recognized by modern browser. It is olden browser that can recognize it. So you make sure you use what, abbr, then you enclose it. So just type WHO. Okay, then you put some content. WHO created, okay, I'm right, a seminar on created a seminar on, or let me just say an advocacy on HIV infection. So you see, now you refresh. I will still do something new to the abbreviation tag. Now you can see that when the abbreviation tag, it was normal, there's nothing that changed. You can see it, nothing changes. Okay, good. Okay, this is also an abbreviation also. So let me put this one in an abbreviation tag. ABBR. Sorry. Let me put HIV. Sorry, let me break it. HIV space. Let me pick this one up also. Good. Every of it is good. Now we have, okay, save, refresh. Now nothing changes, right? Good. Now we have two abbreviation, WHO, which means World Health Organization. Then we have what, HIV, which means what, human immunodeficiency what, virus. Now when we refresh, you find out that there is no way that we can identify this word, this abbreviation. So all you just have to do is to what? Put a title. Then in the title, put the full meaning. Oh, this is escaping. Let me break it down. Okay. Put the full meaning here. Word, health, organization. Let me break this. So this is the abbreviation word, health, word, organization. I gave it a title. Then this also give it a title. Human immunodeficiency. I don't want it to escape, so I'll be breaking it down. I'll be breaking this down like this. Deficiency virus. Okay. Adjust this one maybe too. Okay. Everything good? I think everything is good this way. Okay, let me take this one up like this. Okay. Now our code is neat. Now what do I do? What did I do? I created a div, put an abbreviation of World Health Organization. I put the title. I don't want to write on the browser the full thing because that one can be hectic or may not be necessary for me to write the full meaning in case for people to read. Because normally people know that WHO is World Health Organization and people know that HIV is what? Human immune what? Deficiency what? Virus. So when you see and refresh, what do you get? You can see that you get some sort of dashed at the bottom. So you can see it write out the words. When you are focused on it, it write out the words, the full meaning. That are the words, full words, full meaning. Okay, why is it? Okay, so let me save here. Fresh. I see human what? Immuno what? Deficiency what? Virus. So you can see our abbreviation what? Works. So that is all we'll be looking for now. So you just have to do, we are still looking at multis in quotation, but that'll be next class. So you just have to do, create a block quote of this nature, a quote, then what? An abbreviation, and submit it to the submission group. So see you next class and have a good day. Bye bye.